TranscriptPad. Create impeachment slides for TrialPad. The Impeachment Slides report is a great way to organize your outline for the cross-examination of a witness you may want to impeach or question the credibility of on the stand. For example, having designations about an expert's education, experience, or opinion ready to show in black and white to the judge and jury puts you in control. These slides can be created in TranscriptPad and exported to TrialPad, ready to display at the touch of a button if the witness answers a question in a way that contradicts their prior testimony. The Impeachment Slides report creates beautifully formatted slides for each designation of the transcript testimony. It also includes the deponent's name, transcript volume number, date of deposition, and the page line source information that will be placed at the top of the slide in faint text. This ensures that opposing counsel can't interrupt you or slow the pace and momentum of your cross-examination by asking what page and line you're referring to for each impeachment slide. While working in TranscriptPad, you could easily create an issue code called impeachment for various designations. But our best practices recommendation is to use the Flag and Note tool. The Flag and Note tool allows you to create two designations that are adjacent to each other, but we'll keep them as separate slides in your impeachment report. For example, if you have designations from 1202 to 1206, and 1207 to 1208, and assign them the same issue code, TranscriptPad will intelligently merge them together into one designation from 1202 to 1208. However, if those designations are assigned flags, they will remain as two separate designations. This can be seen by the one merged issue code bar in the left margin, compared to the separation in the blue flag bars in the right margin with the two separate flag icons. As you read through the transcript and decide on each designation with which you might want to impeach the witness, select the start and end of the designation by tapping on the blue line numbers. Then tap on the blue flag button with the plus icon. In the resulting popover, you have the option to include a note. This note could be a simple reminder about why you created the designation, or it could be the exact format of the question that you want to ask the witness. For this example, we will work on the Casey Cook deposition and assign flags and notes to various designations that will represent each cross-examination question. We will speed up this part of the video. Now that we have 11 flagged designations with various notes, we will create two different reports in TranscriptPad. The first report we will create is the PDF detail report. This report is not required to create impeachment slides, but can be very useful. In the options for this report, only select the Flag and Flag Notes switches, and turn off any other highlights, underlines, and issue codes. Pressing the Create Report button will present a PDF detail report preview with all the numbered designations and will include the note relating to each designation in a yellow shaded box underneath the corresponding testimony. This report can be emailed or printed and used in conjunction with your cross-examination outline by referencing each numbered designation, or have in hand as you question the witness using the text in the yellow shaded box. The second report we will create is the Impeachment Slides report. This report creates slides for each designation, including the source information that can be exported to TrialPad and displayed as needed. You have the option to choose whether the slides should have a black background with white text for a stark appearance, or a white background with black text for a standard appearance. For this example, we'll select the white background, so yellow highlighting can be added in TrialPad if desired. Another option is to decide whether generated slides should be created as multiple PDF documents or one PDF document with a separate page for each designation. Our best practice recommendation is to create multiple PDF documents for each slide. This makes it easy to find and present a designation slide in TrialPad based on the file name, which will be automatically generated using the starting page and line number. Lastly, there's an option to add up to 4 characters as a prefix to the file names, which can be useful to add the witness's initials so that all their designations are listed together in chronological order. In this example, for witness Casey Cook, we might add the prefix CC or Cook. For this report, only select the Flags switch and turn off any other highlights, underlines, and issue codes. After pressing the Create Report button, you'll be presented with a preview of what the slides will look like. You can swipe through all the slides or jump to a particular slide by pressing the Navigation menu button in the upper left of the popover. When you're ready to export the slides to TrialPad, press the Export All button and select the TrialPad icon in the row of apps. You may need to swipe to the left and press the More button if the TrialPad icon isn't visible. At this point, TrialPad will launch, and you can open an existing case file to import the slides into, or create a new case file. When the case file is opened, you'll see a red badge on the plus button under the Documents list. Tap on the plus button and press the New Files button to see the TranscriptPad export file, named with the date and time, containing the slides you'll want to import. Tap on the Export File and press the Import Selected Files button, which will import the folder of impeachment slides into TrialPad. As you tap on each file name, you'll see the corresponding slide in the preview window. At this point, you may want to change the name of the folder to be the witness name. You can do this by pressing Select, selecting the folder, tap on Edit, and press Rename. Or you can just slide the folder to the left and tap on Rename. The slides are now ready to be presented and annotated, just like any other document.